what methodology you can improve so that the startup will survive for the. See, the enthusiasm which you have with the entry of your or launching of your startup, if you don't get that enthusiasm from the market, if you don't get that acceptance from the market, you get discouraged. So instead of retreating your own idea, you start blaming, you feel discouraged, you start thinking of in other direction, you get frustration, and in those mindset you take some wrong decisions. And that is also one of the reasons where the startups are getting failed. You may have cash crunches, you may have fund crunches, you may have other crunches, but main reason why startup fails is not understanding the customer's problem, not understanding customer's expectation, not understanding the features which customers are expecting from the product which you may think best, but it is not necessary the customer also sees the same way what you are thinking. I'll give you a few examples and observe this. Now see, we know this a very famous quote that failure is the key for success. And maybe initial response you get, excellent initial response you get, but look at just to see either Tatas, Birlas, Ambanis, Mittals. These all have started as startup only. And since generation to generation, they are there in the field. They are success stories. Many of us think of success stories. But what do you learn? Definitely you will learn a lot from success stories. But do you think they have never failed? They have failed a lot. But they have learned. They did not repeat that mistake. So we don't want to experiment. They could afford to do experiment. The startup which right now the competent, and when they launched, the competition was not that high. But when you are now thinking of entering as an entrepreneur in the market, the competition is very high and you cannot afford to fail. Or if you, why I say that if you can't afford to fail, because you have n number of examples to learn from. Maybe these Tatas, Birlas, they were not having those many examples, previous example to understand and learn so that they will not make any mistakes. But now you have, so you cannot afford to do mistakes. So let's understand from the failures that how you can use these reasons in favor of your success. And that is the concept of lean startup methodology. You want to do it faster, you want to do methodologically very correct. And these are the some of the reasons which helps you to correct, to specify your methodology of running your own business. So I have just divided this companies, only one company I have taken, but there are a number of the companies, startups who fail. So I have started from around 2014-12, Guruji.com. I don't know how many of you are aware. This was a search engine like, Google, like Yahoo. This was a Desi search engine created, launched by two Delhi graduates, IIT Delhi graduates. This was a search engine and has experienced tremendous response from Indian users because it was completely designed as per the requirement of Indian users. Okay. And then they say very good success. They raised fund almost $15 million, but they failed in 2012. The major reasons were, first is copyright infringement. Now, when you do such type of technological innovative idea, you come with as a startup, you have to follow many rules and regulations. specifically regarding IPR. Okay, right, copyright, brand, trademarks, patents, and there they got some problem. Apart from that, the other reason is this was completely designed for Indian users. Completely designed for Indian users, keeping Indians in mind. And as a result, the startup owner fails to expand their thinking that Indian users are no more restricted to Indian boundaries. That is where they fail. They have their reach throughout the world. So these product features they missed. Along with that is copyright